Welcome to today's topic where we'll share about the career opportunities after the YCB Ayush yoga certification. Whether you are a yoga practitioner or you're looking for a career change, today we'll deep dive into the various career opportunities after you complete your yoga certification. Hi, this is Anubhav Seth, a yoga therapist with 12 years of full-time teaching experience. First and foremost, the significance of Ayush certification is that once you get yourself certified, you will not only learn about the yogic philosophy, but it will help you to open up doors of opportunities for you so that you can take your career to the next level. After you complete your certification, first and foremost, you will be able to take classes online, offline. You can share your unique style with people and you can help them achieve their fitness goals. Many corporates are hiring yoga instructors who can help the employees to be healthy at all the levels, and you can help those people to be stress free so that it can increase the productivity of the organization. After your Ayush certification, if you plan to travel, you can even organize your yoga retreats, you can go to exotic locations, you can share unforgettable experience to people. You can even take your teaching to the next level by becoming a yoga therapist who is trained to handle various medical ailments so that you can help people achieve a holistic health. If you also plan to organize a specialized workshops like prenatal, postnatal, yoga for back pain or yoga for stress management, you will be able to organize that after you complete your Ayush certification, and these workshops will help you to increase your income as well. The possibility after you complete your Ayush certification is endless, whether you want to teach a traditional yoga, whether you want to take a corporate yoga, whether you want to travel, you want to write a blog, you can do that. We are organizing a live orientation session where we'll share about how you can get yourself certified, what is the tips for building a successful career. You will also have a networking opportunities. We will also cover how do you get your leads for the classes, and click on the link below and register for the free online orientation session. And thank you for joining today. I just wish you all the best. May you reach your fitness goal and may you take the message of yoga to the whole world. Thank you.